You're invited to the Temecula Pickleflix Film Festival, Southern California's first ever pickleball film event. Presented by SoCal Pickleball Club. My name is Jordan Bryant, and when I was a kid, I always wanted to make movies. So at 18 years old, I rented out my first movie theater, premiering my short film. I had like 50 people show up. It was awesome. And then I wanted to do it again and again and have other filmmakers experience what I did. So I started reaching out to other filmmakers, and I would premiere their skits alongside of mine, and our film events got bigger and bigger. And we increased venue sizes to this one. This is Regal Cinemas, one of my favorite theaters. So I started doing that consistently, and then COVID happened and the world stopped. But in the midst of the COVID chaos, something beautiful happened. My mom introduced me to pickleball. I come from a tennis background, and I was addicted to this sport. We reached out to pickleball industry leaders like Selkirk, and then we secured a contract deal to make professional high-level comedy skits for Morgan Evans.
Just sign here. You're now a Selkirk Pro.
Whatever that means.
And we created some incredible films out of that 14-month journey. And then I was like, man, I want everyone to experience this on the big screen, but I want to do exactly what I did before this. I want to rent out a movie theater, contact some of the biggest pickleball entertainers out there, and host a film festival with just our pickleball skits and premiere it at Regal Cinemas on the big screen. And that's exactly what we're doing now. What you're going to experience is this. When you walk in, you're going to be dressed up, and you're gonna walk the red carpet. From there, you will have a photo taken by a Hollywood red carpet photographer who photographs professional pickleball as well. That photo is gonna be sick. So after you get that photo taken on the red carpet, you'll enjoy the lobby and mingle with other pickleballers, and then you'll get released to go inside theater number 1. That holds 350 people and experience the Temecula Pickleflix Film Festival. Some of the pickleball creators you'll see have generated hundreds of thousands of subscribers and millions of views from their videos. We have Fit to Serve.
Hi, can I help you?
Hey, yes, I'm just here to talk to you about the life-giving benefits of pickleball. Have you heard of pickleball before?
We have the Orchard Security Guy.
I'm the Orchard Security Guard.
If you're the Orchard Security Guard, then who am I?
I'd like to know that.
Primetime Pickleball.
Hi, I'm Nicole Havlicek with Primetime Pickleball.
And so much more.
He's committed, we're committed.
That's nice work.
Yeah.
We're gonna break for intermission though, where your ticket comes with a raffle to win some really cool pickleball gear and swag. And after the intermission, you're gonna watch the rest of the film. Then you're gonna come to the after party location at Luke's on Front Street, where my friend Kelly, who owns this place, has closed down the entire venue for us to party the night away with drink specials and mingle with some of the celebrities and your friends and family from the pickleball community. One thing we love to do when we do these film festivals is give back to a charity. And there's a program called Unified Sports where they take a typical kid and pair him up with a special needs kid, and for 6 weeks they compete in sports with other high schools. And Chaparral High School, the school that I graduated from and played tennis on, their program, their Unified Sports program, actually made it to the finals and literally couldn't afford travel on their bus or new jerseys. So what we wanted to do is 10% of all of our ticket proceeds are gonna go to Unified Sports program and help those kids get jerseys and bus travel. You know, another cool story is we actually did a pickleball clinic here, and it was so much fun. They were having a blast. So we're all about infusing more pickleball into Unified Sports. So if you're interested in doing something fun with your favorite sport, walk the red carpet, getting your photo taken, and enjoying the most hilarious pickleball comedy videos on the big screen with all your friends, family, and community, and for a great cause, then you're not gonna wanna miss the Temecula Pickleflix Film Festival, August 9th. Tickets go on sale right now, $20 online or $25 at the door. This event is going to sell out, so get your tickets now before it's too late. So I'll see you there August 9th on the red carpet.